Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. So today we are going to be working with my wellness section. So there's two planners. The first one is a meal planner. The second one is a wellness. We're going to be starting with a meal planner, which is from the Happy Planner, and it is a classic size. So here we go. I did pull out stickers from Live Love Posh. She is my #1 running sticker collection right now that I just go back and can't get enough. So I'm going to be using her summer book, so Hello Summer and Whimsical Summer from last year, and combining them. Last week I made this really colorful spread in my wellness planner and I am so obsessed with it. I'm making a very similar one in my meal planner. So here we go. There's these like very colorful floral pineapples, and I found that designing both of the books, so I'm going to be working with that. So first and foremost, let's put this humongous pineapple down. And as I do that, I wanted to say thank you if you are joining me again and choosing to spend time with me. Thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. And if this is your first time here, welcome. I hope you like it here, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe. So here we go. This is the design. It's in both of the books, so I'm going to be pulling from here. I'm going to lay this small like patch of flowers across the bottom, and I'm going to use a precision cutter because this one is not a washi tape, meaning that if I use my washi cutter, this will rip. Let's add a sticker to the corner and let's run these flowers accordingly, like so. I think that looks so bright and colorful and screams summer, at least it does to me. So here we go, and let's go and do this. So I'm gonna add Hello Summer right to the top, right there. And then be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside. That's cute. Happy summer. I don't know, okay, some flowers, let's add those. I really like these pineapples. They just are so happy and they scream happiness to me. So I'm gonna pull all of these little details from this book to kind of place in between all the grids where I need to write. So I'm gonna add some leaves and stuff like that, and some florals. These tropical florals are so beautiful, so I'm gonna keep adding them throughout as I fill in the spaces. So here we go. I think that works quite well. And I'm gonna add more of these pineapples, and then very soon we're gonna go ahead and plan a week of my meals. Happy summer, you guys. I am obsessed with summer. It's my favorite season, so when I go crazy with spreads, this is why, like, this is completely why I go crazy with spreads, because summer is my favorite time. And I do have to say, as I get older, fall also very much grows on me, but definitely summer is where I feel most alive, where I am usually most social and most productive. So makes sense, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some of these. So you had me at aloha. Who doesn't want to go to Hawaii, right? Aloha me. Every summer has its story. I'd rather be a mermaid. Yes, if I could swim, then yes. You can find me under the palms. Yes, please. Beach time, and then vacabe vibes, which, yes. Let's go ahead and meal plan my week now. So I pulled all of my quick ideas right there. So we're gonna go ahead and fill it in. I'm just using a regular pen There's no fancy writing in here. I'm not taking my time. I'm just gonna write what I'm having. So overnight oats are usually a thing after the weekend because I do them on a weekend, so they're nice. I'll do like a toast or a shake on the other days. And then lunch is usually either leftovers or a power bowl, depending on how our week is going. So I'll put those. And I swear I'm not an endorser of the power bowl. I just really enjoy them. I know I talk about them like every time we plan meals. So I'm gonna make some chicken tacos, which you can't go wrong with tacos, right? Some burgers. I don't know what yet, so let's see. Some stir fry, I love doing that, or like a curry, those are also good. So let's plan the other part of the week. So I'm gonna have some eggs and toast, shake, easy peasy for me. It's usually very, very easy. And then pasta on Thursday. Black bean tacos, so we'll do some vegetarian stuff maybe. And then some curry pasta, I love making those. And then sweet chili lime chicken. It's a little bit more involved, so I leave those recipes for the weekend. So I have leftovers, and then maybe we'll do brunch on Sunday and then brunch on Saturday, because when we're off we like doing those things. I'm gonna put back those meals in here, and let's readjust the camera and go from there. So now it's time to do the wellness planner for the same week. So this one is called Listen to Your Heart, and it is a actual wellness planner. So this is what the wellness layout looks like if you're interested. It's such a good layout. At least for me, it's working out. So I'm going to be using the Hello Summer Live Love Posh sticker book, and I'm doing kind of like a beachy vibe, free fall, Hawaii style spread, I think. So I'm gonna add some trees and a beach vibe and just super cute stuff. So bear with me and we will be done pretty soon. The spreads are usually very quick because I'm not planning anything extraordinary. All I want to do is track my actual habits with meals and where I'm sliding and so on. So we will see how I do this week. So I'm gonna add this beautiful little trinkets throughout this planner to emphasize the boxes. Look at that. We have this super tropical drink, so cute. And I'm thinking of adding some washi to brighten up the spread. So let's take a look how that would look. Let's see. I might be taking it off, so let's see. I'll put this in between. Maybe. I don't know if it's tropical enough. It's very light, so it might work, but it has more of a peachy tone than pink. So let's see. And maybe I can cover some of it with flowers, and then it's gonna look like it's all part. Yeah, that's much better. Much better. I'm gonna add more of these small elements. Let me know what you guys think of this. I know that I'm trying to plan extremely functionally to leave all of the function in here. So if you are trying to do the same thing, let me know if this is working for you with the little things in between as well to kind of balance the spread. And if it does, that's pretty cool, right? because I really enjoy my little stickers right in between there, and it looks like it's balanced and filled up, and then I get to just write in my stuff. So I'm just gonna make some dots. So those are my little bullet points for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I think we are good. I think that's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pop this back into my planner, and we can go from there. I am looking to see if I have any boxes to put up here to kind of match it, but so maybe I can alternate between pink and purples and then have some writing space, because I have some larger stickers here, so I want to create a space where I can track my supplements and vitamins and so on. So I think that's gonna go right there, and then that can go right there, and then all the days are here, and I'm all done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!